Hey, let's walk through our new SEO API. So it's at api.morningscore.io, and here you'll actually see a pretty cool documentation of all the things you can do with the API, and let's try some things out. So the first thing we can do is list our domain. So we can just press test request. We'll need to input it says bearer token here. That's basically our API key. So go to settings, go to API. You see here settings and then API. Copy this key down here and add it over here. And the first thing is you need a paid account to actually have an API key. So you can see prices here. So you'll need one of these plans, and you get an API on any plan. So from light. So you basically will work within the limits of your plan. So let's get back here. So you have this, you added your key and we requested all the domains. So we get like different things here, but here we can see for example, Morningscores in the Danish market or in the American market. Let's take the American market. So we can take this global domain identifier. So now we have a value for that. I'll just save it here. And then we can try some of the other stuff. So we could take the health, we could list some pages. So we test the request. Now the API key is already added, but the domain ID we will have to add it ourselves. So let's do it like that. I copied it and I added it. We can add some query parameters to it, but we can also just try to send it like this. Here we can see different pages and how many problems there's found for each of these pages. So like on-site technical things. So it's like high-level stuff. So you can like order your pages by how many problems have been found on them. This is okay, but this down here is a lot more interesting. So get AI fix and AI fix status. These two work together with this one, list issues. So you have to start with list issues. I'll show you how. So again, our current domain ID. We need to choose an issue type. So let's just go back. Let's try missing H2 or H3 tag. You can see that there are 30 total issues. If we then say we don't want to see the ones that are already resolved, there's like 17 left. Okay, so now we programmatically get all the different problems and which landing page they're referring to. So this page has a missing H2 or H3 tag. Same, there's like several cases here where we're missing that. Okay, so what we could be doing now is we could feed this to the rank, the one I showed you before. So we can copy this rank ID. Let's copy this. Let's go up to the get AI fix. That's where we need the rank ID. We need to add it here, like that. And need to make sure the domain is correct. I'll just add the correct domain here. And then we should be able to go. So let's see. Alright, so now we have requested an AI fix and that generated a task ID. We're now going to copy that and then we're going to go here to get AI fix status and just going to simply paste that in here and press send. And here we can see status completed. Actually, this can take 10-20 seconds sometimes sometimes it's fast, but it can take up to 20 seconds. And here we get the response where it tells us what to do with this basically. So yeah, this is how it works, and you can do that for a lot of the issues. Not all issues support this, but a lot of them will. And you can go to the tool itself in health, and you can hover these to see get AI fix available. All of these that have AI fix available here will also have an AI fix available via the API. Yeah, so that would be one way to check it. But otherwise, you can always see it in the output when you list the issues here, if they have a rank ID or not. Yeah, so that way, so it's like a what do you call that? A job system here. First, you request the fix. Well, let's start with the beginning actually. First, you list the issues on the specific domain ID you got in the beginning of this video with a specific problem. Then you take the rank ID and you add it to the AI fix, and then it creates a job, and then when the job is done, as we saw, you get it through this one. This is how you can automatically get fixes for all your on-site issues programmatically. And then obviously it gets really cool from here if you take these fixes and use it to automate something on your website. So we, for example, built the I'll show you Morningscore plugin here. So we built this plugin with the API. It's 100% based on the API, so you could have built all of this plugin yourself, and it can go in and fix all the problems you see here automatically and insert the fix on your WordPress website. So that is definitely possible with our API. It's currently running for a lot of websites. There's a lot more you can do. Here you can get the overall summary of problems. We also, let's go through some of the others here. You can get all the domains that link to you. Oops, we need to insert it correct. Let's try this one. Let's try this to check the backlinks. So here we get all the backlinks for this specific domain ID. And to be precise, we're not getting the individual backlinks via this endpoint. That's coming later to our API. For now, what we're giving you is all the domains linking to this domain. So you can see that there's a total of 3,103 domains linking. And then you need to paginate here to get all the data. But then you can get that. And you can also see if they're new, lost, or whatever. So you can also build your own new and lost links from this. The keywords, let's try that. So let's go here. Again, let's insert the domain. So here we go. These are all the keywords that are ranking within position 1 to 100 on Google for, in this case, our website. And you can just go through this list and get all the details. So search volume, CPC, which country, which language, estimated traffic, the value of that traffic in dollars. I think it is in dollars. Yeah, here USD. Yeah. So there's a lot here to gain from that. The writer is, I'm not going to go into detail, but that generates articles based on seed keywords. So you just add a keyword and your domain ID, and then it will generate articles where it does actually research your website. And people have told us they're surprised about the quality of these articles. I think personally they're okay. I think they can always get better. And because you can generate articles programmatically, it might be really nice. And yeah. So these were the main things you can do with our API. You can also count credits in different ways. So we didn't go through that, but you can access all your credits programmatically as well. There's a lot more coming. We keep expanding the API. Right now you can't, for example, get data for your competitors, but that's coming very soon. It's more or less an all-in-one API for SEO. So play with it, and yeah, thanks for watching.